here from Createinspain with another shortcut slot bite. This one is a very short bite. What I'm going to show you today is this method of clipping a mask onto an image and getting it so that you can actually print it out without printing the whole lot. So you'd put your shape over your image, select both, go to Object, go to Clip Path and set Clip Path, and there you have it. It's basically been done. And you have your little kitty cat in its own little heart shape, and if you go to the preview, that is what you are going to be cutting. So it means that you haven't had to print around the outside of this. You can just send it to print with just the bit that you want to print. Now, if I undo this, you can do it another way by going over to the wrench, and when you want to do your cutting, you can put the clip path on there and it will do it the same way. So that's it, the clip path.